It's National Frozen Foods Month, and we've got a recipe inspired by what you can find in the freezer aisle at your grocery store. Howard shows us a chicken and veggie skillet in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If you're getting a bit tired of making or eating the same old thing, then it's time to check out all that the freezer aisle has to offer. And with March being Frozen Food Month, whether you shop the aisles, use curbside pickup, or have your groceries delivered from your local market, there's no better time than right now to take advantage of all the sales and options. In these aisles, we can find all sorts of items that can help us get breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert on the table in no time. And whether it's veggies or fruits, ready-to-cook meats, fish, chicken, or even plant-based proteins, we'll find lots of easy-to-use options where all the work is done for us. You know, it's like having our own prep cook at home. For those of us who miss dining out, no problem, because we can find restaurant fancy meals as well as dishes from around the world. And if you prefer heat and eat options, let me tell you, there's no shortage of those. From hot out of the oven pizza to rise and shine favorites, to ones we can simply pop in our microwave that couldn't be simpler or tastier. And this year, we're finding so many new items, which are certainly a welcome addition with all the cooking we're doing these days. Look at this, a ready-to-heat meal, which starts with a handful of freezer shortcuts that's ready in under 15 minutes. And there's only one pan to wash. To get the recipe for what we call our chicken and veggie skillet, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and maybe we'll run into each other in the freezer aisle. And if we do, I can't think of a more welcoming way to say, ooh, it's so good.
Looks like Howard's been doing a little redecorating. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.